Today is Wednesday. I've been fasting since last night and I will break my fasting tomorrow. But what I'm doing this week, I'm trying to do a detoxing from my gallbladder and my liver. It's the first time I'm doing it, so I don't know how successful this will be. Since the morning, I've been having shots of baking soda with water. I would put just tiny bit of baking soda with a glass of water and just dilute it and drink it. I had 4 rounds so far. Now, this is, according to my research, this is how it should be. Before I go to bed, I'm gonna need to use, this is olive oil and this is lemon. So I'm gonna put an equal amount. I don't know if this is too much or not, but wish me a good luck. Let's see. I'm guessing this is what I need. But looks like what I use for salad. So I've seen people drinking it and they're not enjoying it, but this is a very delicious mix. I mean, when we do salad, I collect the juice from the bottom of the salad and I drink it. And it's literally full of lemon and olive oil, so it shouldn't be a problem for me. Okay, let's give it a shot. Usually I do have salt and pepper when it's part of the salad. We don't have it here. Maybe some of you that have done this before and they can give me some advice on what to do next time, but we'll give it a try. It's good. It's really good. It's like I'm having the juice of the salad. And I do love lemon, so I don't care if it's too sour. This is actually an enjoyable drink. I don't know why people they complain about it. That's good. All right, so now I'm gonna need to sleep on my right side for a minimum half an hour. Then I will see what happened later. I've seen some people doing it where you have to still have another shot of baking soda and water in the morning. I don't know how much this mix will push me to go and use the toilet during the night, but according to my research, you should not use the toilet till tomorrow morning, which is, I don't know how this is gonna work. Anyway, if you guys have any advice, let me know, and I will let you know how this goes. If this experiment succeeds or need adjustment, I will adjust it and do similar one next week. Because I'm fasting anyway every week for 44 hours from Tuesday evening till Thursday morning. So I'm not doing anything special or extra. And I usually drink baking soda with water twice during my fasting. But the only difference this time that I doubled the amount, which was 4 times instead of 2. And this is considered breaking my fasting because I don't drink anything till the following day. But we'll keep you posted. Okay, after thinking twice, I think what I have had, it's not strong enough because I'm used to stuff like this. So I'm thinking to level it up a little bit. I do have in the house black seed oil, and I do have castor oil. This is all like cold pressed this is custard oil, this is black seed oil, and I do have pumpkin seed oil. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna have a little bit of castor oil, a little bit of black seed oil. This is really strong, so I'm gonna drink maybe this much. Okay, this is black seed oil, pumpkin seed. By the way, this is all cold pressed. I went and I got them myself from a shop here that would get the seeds and get those oil from them in front of me. So who's been drinking this?
Your dad.
My dad? Yeah, because I haven't been drinking this one that much and it's almost all gone. Now about the castor oil, I know it's about the mustard oil, I know this is very strong, so I'm not gonna risk it with the mustard oil. I will do it next week. That's a very strong one, and it doesn't taste good. I'm telling you, the mustard oil, I mean, even this one, the black seed oil, is quite strong. That burns. You should have some of that for your throat. It's gonna help. That really burns. Can I have some water? Yeah. Pumpkin seed. This burns. Pumpkin seed, it's not bad. But the black seed oil, it's really strong. Yeah. I'm ready to detox the hell out of my liver and my gallbladder. Wish me luck, guys, in the night. Cheers. Okay, it's Thursday morning. I'm gonna have one more baking soda. You just need that much, okay? So last night was pretty normal. Nothing irritating in the night. I didn't had any diarrhea. In fact, my stool was very solid this morning, which is weird because when you drink that much of olive oil, you would imagine that your stool becomes loose. But my stool was pretty solid. So this is the last shot of baking soda. I had 4 of this yesterday, and this is number 5. So far, I haven't seen any green stones. So I don't know if the detoxing I've done for my gallbladder is working, but nothing, literally nothing. So I was thinking I'm either done something wrong in this process, or I have no stones, which could be possible because the amount of olive oil and lemon I had yesterday was pretty normal for me, because I drink olive oil and lemon all week long. So what I had yesterday, it wasn't really something special for me. And when we do have parsley salad on Saturday, I eat like a massive plate, and parsley, it does help to detox your organs very well. So I either don't have stones or I did something wrong. But so far, I went to the bathroom this morning and like there's literally no one stone that came out of the green stone that people they show you in those pictures, in those videos. Literally I have none of them. So I don't know if this is gonna make any difference anymore. I slept on my right side majority of the night, and usually what I do in the morning before I go to the toilet when I wake up, I sleep on my left side, because that's where I push everything toward the exit of my intestines. So what I do in the last hour before I wake up, I shift to my left side. Then in the last 5-10 minutes before I get off the bed, I sleep on my stomach and I put a pillow all the way to here. A pillow from here to there. So this way I kind of push and push if there's anything in the intestines to kind of go down. And because I've been sleeping on my left side, this is on a regular day, that's where the exit of the intestine, the big intestines. So if you guys have any idea what wrong I've done, or you do think there is something should be adjusted, let me know. Otherwise, I think I do not have any stones in my gallbladder. Otherwise, I will figure out in the next few hours if anything changed. If not, I think I do have no stones at all in my gallbladder. I'll keep you posted.